energy of a body is increased by 300%, then percentage change in momentum. So as we know that relation between momentum and kinetic energy is k equal to p square by 2m. ओके, ये हम लोग को पता है रिलेशन बिटवीन काइनेटिक एनर्जी एंड मोमेंटम. अब हम लोग को कहा गया है दैट काइनेटिक एनर्जी 300% इंक्रीज हो रहा है. ओके, so let's assume the initial kinetic energy is k initial and final kinetic energy is increased. So the final kinetic energy will be k initial plus of 300% इंक्रीज हो रहा है. So this will be the final kinetic energy. So it will be by calculation, that will be final kinetic energy will be k final will be 4 times of k initial. ओके, तो अब पूछा गया है क्या, द परसेंटेज चेंज इन मोमेंटम. तो मोमेंटम में कितना चेंज होगा. ओके, सो इनिशियली मोमेंटम कितना होगा, दैट इनिशियली द रिलेशन बिटवीन काइनेटिक एनर्जी एंड मोमेंटम इज, so this will be the p initial square by 2m. So the body is same, so the mass will be same and final kinetic energy will be p final square divided by 2m. So अब हम लोग kf equal to 4 times of k1 रिप्लेस कर देते हैं kf को. So that will be pf square divided by 2m. So now if we divide these two equation 1:2, so that will be k initial divided by k final will be equal to p square by p initial divided by p final divided by 2m. So that will be p initial square divided by p final square. Okay, so now if we put the value of kf, that will be 4 times of k1, so this kf will be 4 times of k1. So now more simplifying this, we can found that final जो momentum होगा that will be 4 times of initial momentum. Okay, so pf will be root over, so this will be 2 times of p initial. So एक हम लोग का यहाँ से रिलेशन we can get out that we are getting that फाइनल जो मोमेंटम होगा इनिशियल मोमेंटम का दुगना होगा. अब पूछा गया है that the percentage change in momentum. Okay, so the percentage change in momentum will be, so the percentage of change in momentum will be final momentum, sorry, this will be pf, so that will be the final momentum minus initial momentum divided by what was the initial momentum. Okay, so into 100 क्योंकि परसेंट में पूछा गया है. So finally momentum कितना हुआ है, that is 2 times of p initial minus of p initial divided by p initial into 100. So that will be 1 into 100. p से p का कट गया and this will be 2 minus 1, so that will be 100%. Okay, so the percentage change in momentum, what will be, it will be 100%. So option देखते हैं, option A will be correct.